What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to focus on building our bumper. Now we're not going to build it from scratch because I got to get a lift kit for this vehicle and I'm trying to keep everything in budget. So if you've seen my live last night, I explained all of that. What we're going to do is work with the bumper that we have already. We're going to build onto that bumper. So I'm going to, well, probably not build, but dissect the bumper up a little bit. I do want to install the light bar. That is the first thing that I'm trying to install on this bumper. So we're going to measure it out, cut the hole as neat as possible because I'm trying to do this job really neat. And we are going to install that light bar to make it look rad for when it's going off-roading. Then we have the other lights to work with. So once we get that light bar in place, then we'll focus on the other lights to see what we're going to do. So let's get it. Alrighty, guys. So here is what we're going to do. We have our bumper. We have our light over there. So we are going to take that light, measure it up to the bumper, trace it out, and then I'm going to slowly cut it and cut it really neat. Now, something that's awesome is the LED light bar actually fits perfect where the license plate holder should be. So we're going to use that and it's going to look like it came factory with this vehicle. Well, hopefully we can make it look like it came factory, but it should if I do it right. So let's get it. Alrighty, so here is what we have. We have our little design out. It took me a little while to kind of measure and make sure it's precise. Now, here's the issue. The bumper is not exactly a flat surface in this area. It's kind of curved. So one side is definitely going to be in. Well, two ends are going to be in while the middle is probably going to be poking out a little bit. We're going to try to see the best that we can even it out. Maybe I have to build something in the back of it to kind of fill it in. I don't know. We are basically gonna do a irreversible cut. So I gotta make sure that I cut this precise and good. I got my angle grinder, with the cutoff wheel. So I'm gonna use the cutoff wheel on it. And, wish me luck because there's no going back after this. And if we mess up, well then we just messed up. So let's get it. Well, let's see how that looks. There's a metal bumper bracket here. That's probably going to cause an issue for us. I should have looked before doing this cut, but we will, we'll see what's going on. Maybe it'll poke out. This is going to poke out. We'll see. Ow! This is going to be our backbone for our newly created bumper. So we're going to leave the plastic piece off. We're no longer going to have that anymore. I'm going to build off of this bumper. Once we build off of it, it's going to look sick. We're going to have certain spots for our lights and certain spots for our light bar. The light bar, I'm thinking about putting on top of the roof. My cousin gave me a good idea. He was like, maybe you should put it on top of the roof and put the 4 little cube lights on the front here. So we're going to see what fits, what works. But now we have this base to work with. I have a little bit of extra tubing left from when I built the midgate. We'll probably somehow try to figure out how to make this work. This is really strange. So there's a bracket here, but then this one over here is crushed. So we don't know what happened there. As you can see, it just looks crushed. We don't know what happened. But let's go back to the drawing board, see what we can design for the bumper, and then come back and figure out our tires and suspension. See you later. Okay, so the bumper is off, and I'm just gonna stop saying what we're gonna do because every time I keep saying something, then I'm rethinking about what we should do. So we're just gonna leave the rest of the build as a mystery. Whatever goes, goes. We're gonna try working on the actual bumper because looking up for lift kits is kind of hard for this vehicle, especially the money that I'm not trying to spend on this. First off, the lift kits that I'm finding are actual pucks that you put on the suspension, and I've been told those are not safe to do off-roading with, so we're gonna stay away from those. I've also been advised that we don't even really need a lift kit for this. We can just get bigger tires and run that, which would be cool. Saves us some money to do other things to the vehicle. So right now, we're gonna focus on the actual bumper. So I removed the plastic bumper. Once the plastic bumper was removed, we're gonna use this as our backbone and we're gonna build off of this. So that is the plan for now. And we're just gonna see what we can do. Maybe I'm gonna see if I can wire up some lights, or at least one light. I don't know if to use the bar or should I use those square lights. I might just use the square lights to see what I can get done. And if anything, I can always change things around if I don't like it. So let's get some square lights on and let's see what they look like. So this here is one of our lights that we're gonna put on, one of the cube lights, pretty bright. Came in this awesome glass casing. I have so many more of these, they're all up there. So I actually got these all for like $1, so this was an awesome deal. And they're usually like $100, 90 or $100, and I got a bunch of these for like $1. They were red tagged, so that's pretty cool. So what we're gonna do is try to get this on here, one there, and hopefully one there. See how it looks. If I don't like the way things we can always rearrange them, but let's see how they look. Let's start off with that. Guys, you want to see something so cool? So my smoke alarm in my house has been like, the battery's been dead. I had no idea this is how they wire up these lights so you can test them. I just got a whole ton of these for free here basically. So this is awesome. This is cool. I'm gonna cut this, and this is what we're gonna use to recharge, well, repower my smoke detectors. And I have so many more lights like this, so we have tons of batteries basically for life. This is awesome. So I figured to put these little square lights, we'll use this bracket here. Now this one's all crushed. We're gonna try to figure out a way to get this one to look similar to that one over there. So let me try to play around with this and see if we can lift it up. Alrighty guys, so I think that's as good as it's gonna get. There's no way I'm gonna do that professionally, because to really probably do this the best way, I'd have to cut this off and then fix it back and weld it back, and we ain't got time for all that stuff. So we're just gonna make this as square as we possibly can. That one's already there. This one looks good enough. We are gonna drill the hole, put the light in, wire it up to the headlight, so every time we turn on our headlight switch, that should automatically turn on as well. And let us see how it looks. Alrighty guys, this is what we have. So we painted the bumper and we installed the two lights. Now I can't give away everything yet, so we're gonna end the episode here. We still have to wire up the lights, so we'll probably do that next episode. But we're gonna end the episode right here, because like I said, I can't just do everything in one episode. And what am I gonna have for tomorrow, you know? So we gotta kind of space out our content a little bit. But this was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, we're gonna obviously build onto this bumper a little bit more. This is not how it's gonna end up, because this is just the support. So we're gonna build on a different frame, maybe a little grill guard or something, I'm not sure. And we'll work on the top after. So this is where we're going to end it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you hit the like button on this video. And also, if you are not a subscriber, make sure that you hit the subscription button, because I give you brand new videos every single day. And also, don't forget to turn your post notifications on, as well as leave your comments in the comment section below. We'll see y'all for the next one. Peace.